Good morning children, I hope class children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have started exponents and in last class we had seen many examples, questions were solved and it was told to practice properly. I hope many of you, most of you must have done, and those who have not done, again I am requesting those who have not done that this first video of this exponents, you must watch that, you do practice properly, then only watch this video and try to learn exercise 5E. So let's start. Here we have first question, write each of the following in power notation. So if you remember, this is so easy, 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 will be equal to 5 to the power 7, 5 by 7 to the power 4. 4 times it is, so 5 by 7 to the power 4. In the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it is, so this will be 4 by 3 to the power 5. Here you have 1, 2, 3 times, so minus 1 by 6 to the power 3. And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so minus 8 to the power 5. So in this way, in power notation we write. Next question you see, express each of the following in power notation again. Here you see 25 by 36 can be written as 5 square by 6 square, and that will be 5 by 6 to the power 2. Here you see this can be written as 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So minus 3 to the power 3 divided by 4 to the power 3, it means minus 3 by 4 to the power 3. Here you see minus 32 minus 128. Just to try to do by yourself, just to, if you don't know, just to factorize this in factorize this. Suppose you have 32, so you need to factorize. 2 and 2, 2 6 is 12. 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8 and 2 2 is 4. How many times it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this way, just you write down. This you factorize 243 and you write down and try to complete. Next you have express each of the following as a rational number. Here you have 2 by 3 and that is equal to 2 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 5. So this will be, just to multiply, so you will get 32 divided by 243 and this will be your answer. Just to multiply 3 5 times you will get 243. In the same way, just to see here, minus 8 cube divided by 5 cube. So this you multiply 3 times. This 8 itself will be multiplied 3 times and then you see what comes. Then 5 you multiply 3 times, then you see what comes, and that will be your answer. So in this way this is required to be done. And then you have express each of the following as a rational number. Here also the same thing is required to be done. 4 to the power minus 1. Here you see, as we know, what we had learned, a by b to the power minus 1 is equal to b by a. So here 4 to the power minus 1, 4 by 1 we have. So this will be 1 by 4. This will be your answer. This will be minus 1 by 6. See, this will be minus 6 by 1. So reciprocal of this will be 1 by minus 6. And if in standard form you will write minus 1 by 6 it will be. This will be 3 and this will be 3 by minus 2. So minus we will write with numerator. So minus 3 by 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following. So what is the reciprocal of this? Reciprocal of this will be 8 by 3 to the power 4. This is also reciprocal, or in other way also we can write this reciprocal of this will 3 by 8 to the power minus 4. So both are correct. Either you write 3 by reciprocal of 3 by 8 to the power 4 is equal to 8 by 3 to the power 4 or 3 by 8 to the power minus 4. So in any way if you are writing that is correct. So it is better you write in this way. So this will be, here you see minus 5 by 6 is equal to minus 6 by 5 to the power 11. Reciprocal of this. This will be 1 by 6 to the power 7 and this will be 1 by minus 4 means minus 1 by 4 to the power 3. Then you see, find the value of each of the following. Eight to the power 0, that is equal to 1, this is equal to 1, this is equal to 1 plus 1, it means 2, this is 1 into 1, it means 1. Simplify each of the following and express each as a rational number. Here you see how we will simplify this. Any two questions I am taking and rest of the questions just you try to solve. You see, we will take this question and you need to watch properly how it is to be solved. Here you see, we have minus 2 by 3 to the power 5, so it will be written as minus 2 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 5 into, this is minus 3 to the power 3 divided by 7 to the power 3. Now this will be, here you see, if minus and minus will be multiplied, it will be positive. So here we can write directly 32 divided by, this one you write 7 to the power 3. If we will multiply, this will be 7 9 ja 63, 7 4 ja 28 and 6 will be 34. So this will be 343. And into, here we will write this became positive because this minus has been multiplied with this minus. So 3 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 5, or it will be 32 by 343 into, this will be a to the power m by a to the power n. It means 3 to the power 3 minus 5, or this will be 32 by 343 into 3 to the power minus 2, and here you see 32 divided by 343 into 3 to the power minus 2 will be written as 1 by 3 to the power 2, and that will be 32 divided by 343 into 3 3 is 9. It means 32 divided by 9 3 is 27. Then 9 4 ja 34, 34 and 9 4 ja 36 and 2 38, 9 3 ja 27 and 3 30. So your answer will be 32 by 3087. Next you see, suppose this question we will take minus 3 to the power 3 and 4 to the power 3 we will write. Minus 5 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 3. This is required to be solved first and then 4 square here. Now here you see, what we can write this, minus 3 to the power 3 divided by, this you multiply, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 divided by, here we have 4 4 is 16 and 16 4 just 64. This will be 64 minus this will be 125 and this will be 8 into 4 to the power 2. This will be LCM. You will have 64 and here you will get minus 27 minus, if you multiply 8 is 64 and 8 will be multiplied by 125, that will become 1000 and this minus and minus will become plus over here. So this will be 1000 and into 16 and that will be equal to 973 divided by 64 into 16. So this will be 4 and finally you will get 973 by 4. This can be written as mixed fraction or you write this will be your answer. Next you see simplify and express each as a rational number. Here you see we will take this question. Here we have minus 7 to the power minus 3 divided by 8 into minus 7 by 8 to the power 2. So it can be written as 8 by or minus 8 by 7 to the power 3 into minus 7 by 8 to the power 2. Now here you see this can be written as, simply it can be written as, in this way also it can be done, minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8 divided by 7 into 7 into 7 into minus 7 into minus 7 divided by 8 into 8. In this way also it can be solved. So just you see this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled and you will be left with minus 8 by 7 and this will be your answer. Next you see, so rest of the questions you should be able to solve. Next you see, express each of the following as a rational number. So easy it is. I hope you will be able to do these questions. So few questions again, this will be simply 1 because x to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this will be 1. So I don't think here you will be having problem. So 2 questions I am taking, rest of the questions you should be able to solve. Just you watch properly and follow the rules. I think you will be able to solve. Here you see this inverse of 5 by 7 will be written as 7 by 5 into 4 by 7 and 7 and 7 will be cancelled, you will get 4 by 5 and this will be your answer. Here you see 5 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 to the power minus 1 and that will be equal to 35. This will be 7 minus 5 to the power minus 1. It means 2 by 35 to the power minus 1 or this will be 35 by 2 and this will be your answer. So in this way this is required to be done. And rest of the question I think you should be able to solve. Question number 9. Question number 10 you see. So similar questions are there. First question I am taking. This is your question. Suppose minus 1 by 4 to the power 2 you have and then you have to the power minus 2 and then you have to the power minus 1. So this will be, you simplify this one first. So this will be minus 1 square by 4 square and then you have to the power minus 2 and to the power minus 1. So this will be minus 1 square means 1, 4 4 is 16, and to the power minus 2, and then you have to the power minus 1. Here inverse of this it will become, so 16 to the power 2 and then to the power minus 1. It means 16 and 16 you multiply. So this will be 256. You multiply 6 is 36. 6 1 is 6 and 3 9. It will be 16 6 5 2 256. So this will be 256 to the power minus 1. And this will be 1 by 256, and this will be your answer. So I hope you will be able to solve these all the questions. One more question I am taking. Question number 3. Here you see minus 3 to the power 3 means minus 3 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3 divided by minus 3 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 6. This will be minus 3 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3 into inverse of this 2 to the power 6 divided by minus 3 to the power 6. Here you see this will be minus 3 to the power 3 and this will be, just you see, minus 3 to the power 6 will be positive if you are multiplying this, or simply what you do as we had done in the same way you do in this way, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 divided by 2 into 2 into 2 into, this will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by minus 3 into 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 minus 3. Now these 3 and these 3 has been cancelled. These 3 and these 3 has been cancelled. So you are left with 8 by 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 3 to 9 3 to 27, and this will be negative. So minus 8 by 27, and this will be your answer. So in this way we had completed up to question number 10. Rest question just you try by yourself, otherwise we will see in next class. Until then, thank you.